Dify versus Ragflow versus Typebot. So in this 2025 breakdown, we will help you decide which no-code automation tool is right for you. So don't forget to like and subscribe. Let's look how these three tools compare based on their interface, features, AI integration, pricing, and best use case. So, their user interface. Dify has a modern, intuitive layout tailored for AI workflow builders, while Ragflow leans more towards developers with a cleaner, schema-driven UI, and Typebot focuses on conversational flows with a clean drag-and-drop chatbot style interface. Next is their features. Dify excels in building GPT-based apps with agents, documents, and retrieval integration, while Ragflow supports advanced logic and complex chaining using structured YAML-like rules. And Typebot is great for lead capture, onboarding flows, and integration with tools like Google Sheets, Airtable, and Notion. Next is their AI capabilities. Dify is the strongest here. It supports OpenAI, Anthropic, and embedding models with powerful vector support, while Ragflow also supports LLMs, but it is more logic heavy than plug and play. And Typebot offers OpenAI support too, but is more focused on forms than actual agent workflows. And then their pricing. Dify and Ragflow are open source and free to self-host, while Typebot has a freemium model with paid tiers starting at around $20 a month for extra integrations and seats. So, their best for, or the final verdict is, you can choose Dify if you want AI app building with minimal coding, and you can choose Ragflow if you want deep logic control and you don't mind the YAML based setup. And you can choose Typebot if you want to build beautiful no-code forms or conversational flows fast. So if this video helped you, feel free to like and subscribe for more videos. Thank you for watching.